Hello everyone, welcome to TVSL Minds. I will offer you the insurance secrets that create millionaires today without Guru Mushti. Why you need health insurance. Health is wealth, so they say, and every person should prepare financially and emotionally for the possibility of any health problems that may come his way at any time in the future. People say the only things certain in life are taxes and death. Perhaps, illness should also be included in that list because every person can get sick at any time. A person will only realize the importance of preparing for the possibility of health problems when he is already afflicted with an health insurance. Health is wealth, so they say, and every person should prepare financially and emotionally for the possibility of any health problems that may come his way at any time in the future. People say the only things certain in life are taxes and death. Perhaps, illness should also be included in that list because every person can get sick at any time. A person will only realize the importance of preparing for the possibility of health problems when he is already afflicted with an ailment and he has not prepared for it financially. When that time comes, the sick person is faced not only with pressing health problems but with unpaid bills as well. Most Americans are aware of the importance of getting a health insurance. However, there are still Americans who do not have healthcare coverage because of a variety of reasons, and one of them is the increasing cost of health insurance. The price of healthcare in the United States is on the rise, and majority of American families can no longer afford it without a health insurance. The cost of healthcare has been on the rise because of the number of people getting in and out of hospital annually. It seems that the unhealthy way of life of most Americans plus the increasing number of old people in America are pushing the demand for healthcare to the limit. Research shows that at least half of the American families could not afford health insurance because of insufficient income. Most American employees who annually earn no more than $50,000 work for small businesses that do not offer health insurance or coverage. There are existing health coverage programs offered by the government like Medicaid, but there should be more effort to educate the people about these programs. Some people who may qualify for the government health programs are not aware of the existence of the program and how to qualify for that program. More often, the bureaucracy is also one of the reasons why some Americans have not availed of the health programs. Responsible parenthood means providing health care not only for the parents but also for their children. The government offers free and low-cost health programs for qualified children of Americans as well as for children of immigrants. Such health programs provide coverage for a variety of health expenses like medicine, fee for doctors, and even payment for hospitalization. Every family should be aware of the importance of healthcare coverage. Thus, every family should invest in a quality healthcare program, especially at a time when the parents are still able to work and pay for the proper health insurance. Otherwise, families who cannot pay for health insurance but are qualified for state healthcare coverage should start researching on the different government health programs and apply for the program which suits them. See you again. Thank you very much for coming to this channel.